Good morning. It's a wet, rainy Monday. At the day of filming, would have been a nice day to just stay home in bed, but I got things I gotta do. Repair surgery a number of years ago, and about 6 weeks ago I seemed to exacerbate it, and it just, last thing I want to do is tear that open, because then it would have to be an open hernia repair, and oh man, I don't want to do that. I don't have the time to do that because it is a long recovery. But this week I am going to tentatively bring back light free weights, and I'm going to try body weight squats. Let's see if I can do that without hurting anything. Well, it calmed down, but it was quite the downpour when I pulled up here. Oh well, it doesn't happen that often and we need the rain, but hey, better than snow. Well, we got some wet, crazy weather here, but I'm gonna try to keep dry. So I appreciate you guys watching. As always, see you on the next one.